Assalamu alaikum class. I hope all of you are fine. So class, we will discuss a new topic, that is adding and subtracting fraction. Okay. So today we have two lectures. So we will discuss two things. Okay. First of all, common denominator. Okay. Once you have a common denominator, that is very easy for you to solve such type of questions. Okay. But in this exercise, you have a different denominator. So you will make it yourself the common denominator. So before I start, you must know the nominator is on the top one and the denominator is down one. So you must try to make this denominator common. Common means same. Okay. So here is 4, here is 2. Which number I multiply to make it 4? So I multiply by 2 here. So the same number I multiply by here. So 2 multiplied by 2, that is equal to 2. 2 multiplied by 1 equal to 2. 2 multiplied by 2 equal to 4. So this is also 4. This is already 1 by 4. So I add these numbers like 2. So no need to add these number. Okay, only add nominator. So 4 is common. Once the denominator is common, so you just add nominator. No need to add denominator. So 2 plus 1 here 3 and divided by 4 because our denominator is same. If our denominator is different, first thing ever you will make it a denominator same or common. Then later on you will solve. Now here we have the other one. Here is 6, here is 4. So 4 table does not have 6 and 6 table does not have a 4. So what we will do, we will multiply, we will just find the, with the help of LCM, we will find it. How we will find? First of all, here I just write here I write 4 and 6. Okay, I just need to multiply which is the lowest common multiple. So which table have 2 and 6? 2 table. 2 how many times? 2 times equal to 4 and 2 3 times equal to 6. Okay, so again I use 2 table. I know 2 does not present in 3 table, but 2 is present in 2 table. 2 how many times equal to 2? Once time. 2 how many times equal to 3? No, 2 is 2 table does not have any 3. So you can write the 3 as it is same. So next time we are using 3. Okay, I am writing here 3. So 3 how many times? If you get 1, so no need to solve this anymore. Here 3 how many times equal to 3? Once time. 3 multiply 1 equal to 3. So that numbers you can multiply with each other. Now here 2 multiply by 2 equal to 4. Okay, and 4 multiply by 3 equal to 12. Okay, so it's mean your lowest common number must be 12. So which number I multiply here to make it 12? I multiply by here 2. 2 multiply by 6, 12. And 4, which number I multiply with 4 and to make 12? 3. If I multiply by 2 here, the same number I multiply by here on the numerator. And if I multiply 3 here, the same number I multiply on the place of numerator. Okay. Now 3 multiplied by 3, that is equal to 9. Okay, and 4 multiplied by 3, 12, and 2 multiplied by 5 equal to 10. So I write here 10 and the other is 12. Now denominator is same, so you can write just one time. Okay, and 9 plus 10 you can add it, that is equal to 90. Once nominator is bigger than denominator, so it is necessary to convert this into a mixed fraction. So 12 how many times equal to 12 or 19 or less? One time. Okay, and here already 12. 12 multiplied by 1 equal to 12, plus how many you had to make it 19? That is 7. Okay, so that is your answer. Same like that, if you have a mixed fraction, already you have mixed fraction. So first thing, in case of minus, it is important, but in case of plus, that is different. But in case of minus, first you convert this into improper fraction. Like 4 multiplied by 2, 8. 8 plus 3, that is equal to 11. So 11 by 4 I write. 7 multiplied by 1, 7 plus 5, that is equal to 12 by 7. Then what you do, you try to make it the common, the LCM. Solve LCM like that. I already solved. Okay. So your common number is 28. So 4 how many times equal to 28? That is equal to 6, 7 times. And 7 how many times? 7 4 times. Okay, so you will get this answer. Then later on you just, because denominator are common, so you write one time, and the upper side you can minus, so you will get answer 29 by 28. So 28 how many times equal to 29 or less? One time. And how many left? One left. So I write here 1 by 28. That is my answer in case of minus. Okay, now here you have a questions. Okay, So you need to solve. I will solve only two questions. One question. Let me check how many questions we have. Okay. Yes, one question I solved from question number one. Other is from question number two. Okay. And find Egyptian fraction for. Now, I also tell you what is Egyptian fraction because it's important. Egyptian fraction is the sum of any number in the different fractions. Okay. Let's suppose here you have 1 by 2 and 1 by 3. In Egyptian fraction that represent 5 by 6. So how 5 by 6? So this number you multiply here and this number you multiply here. Okay. And these two you can multiply with each other. Like 2 multiply with 3, that is equal to 6. And 2 plus 3, that is equal to 5. So that is a Egyptian fraction method. Okay. Now here we have all yes. So first of all, I will solve for you. First questions are easy, so I solve any difficult question. Let's suppose let me solve H part or G part. Okay. So G part, first thing in minus. First you convert this 8 multiplied by 2, 16 plus 5. That is equal to 21 by 8. So I write here 21 divided by 8. Okay. Now here minus 4 multiplied by 1, 4 plus 3, 7. 7 by 4. Okay. So I need to make these denominators same. So here is 8, here is 4. 4, how many times equal to 8? I multiply by 2 here because it's easy, no need to do LCM, okay? Because question number 2, it's important where we use LCM. Like 2 multiplied by 7 equal to 14. Okay. So here is 21 by 8 minus 14 by 8. Okay. Now here what we will do, 7 minus 14, that is equal to 7 by 8. So that is your answer. Okay. So because 7 is smaller than 8, okay, so no need to solve, make it mixed fraction, okay, because it's a proper fraction. So as it is same, we need to solve the other questions like uh, here we have this question, okay, this part. So if you have this type of questions, plus questions is easy as compared to minus questions. So first thing you will solve a minus part, okay, ever once you find, you will try to solve first two part that is in minus. Like you convert this 3 multiplied by 6, 18, 18 plus 1, 19, 19 by 6. So I write here 19, just give me a moment, 19, 19 divided by 6. Okay, here is minus sign, minus 2 multiplied by 1, 2 plus 1, 3, 3, here I write 3 by 2. So I just try to make the denominator same. So here is 6, here is 2, 2 how many times equal to 6, that is equal to 3. The same number I multiply here. Okay, so that is equal to 19 by minus 9. Okay, denominator is same, so I just write one time because 2 multiplied by 3, 6 here, 6 here, so I write 6 one time. So my answer is equal to 10 by 6. Okay, so I convert this into mixed fraction. 6 how many times equal to 10? One time. And how many left? 4 left here, and here is 6. Okay, now you can further simplify, like 2 multiplied by 2 equal to 4, 2 multiplied by 3 equal to 6. So you can also write this question answer like 1, 2 by 3. Now here is plus sign, I write here plus sign. This one is this is called 7 by 3. I write here 7, 3 by 4, 3 by 4. Now 7 plus 1, that is equal to, so you can add separately 1 plus 7. Okay, and the rest of them you can add separately. So first of all, here we have 2 by 3. Here we have 3 by 4. So which number is common? That is 12. Okay, because how many I know this, otherwise you are doing LCM. So once you do LCM, your answer must be equal to 12, like 3 by 4. Okay, like which table have 3 and 4? 3 multiplied by 1 equal to 3. Okay, 4 left. 2 table how many times equal to 4? 2 times. Okay, and here is 1, and 2 how many times equal to 2? That is 1 time. Okay, so 2 multiplied by 2 equal to 4, 4, and 4 multiplied by 3 equal to 12. Okay, so your denominator must be 12. So here you can multiply one number, this number, by 4, and this number is also 4. So here I write 12. Okay, and here this number I multiply by 3. This number multiply by 3. Okay, so here 4 multiplied by 2, that is equal to 8, and 3 multiplied by 3 equal to 9. So 9 plus 8, that is equal to 17 by 12. Okay, so here I get answer 17 by 12. So make it in mixed fraction. 2 how many times equal to 17 or less? 1 time. Okay, here is 12, and how many left? That is equal to 5. So answer is 1, 5 by 12. That is your answer. I hope you understand. That is too easy to solve such type of questions. So let's move on. So other question you will solve by yourself. Now next part is dividing fraction. Dividing fraction is also easy one. Okay, so you will make the dividing fraction into multiplication fraction, that I will tell you the so that's why we say before describing how to divide two fraction, the reciprocal need to introduce. Okay, so for solving such type of question you need to reciprocal means anything you can change from upper position to lower or lower position to upper. Let me show you first example. Here we have 3 by 4 divided by 1 by 2. So you need to do what? First of all, I solve here 3 by 4 divided by, okay, 1 by 2. So you can replace this. If you replace this in sign into multiply, so you the 3 by 4 you will not change. Okay, I write here multiply sign. Okay, this thing go up and this thing come down. So here is 2 by 1. Okay, so which table? Now 2 multiplied by 3, 6, and 4 multiplied by 1, 4. So just simplify this. Which table have 6 and 4? 2 table. 2 how many times equal to 6? 3 times. How many times equal to 4? 2 times. So your answer is 2, 3 by 2. Make it into mixed fraction. 2 how many times equal to 3? 1 time equal to 2. 1 left here and 2 is here. So that is your answer. So same like that, let's suppose I have another question. I'm solving D part. Okay, so here I have 6 divided by 7. Here is divide sign. When I convert this divide sign to multiply, I write here multiply. So 3 is going down. Okay, so there is nothing, so it's mean up is 1. Okay, so 1 multiplied by 6 equal to what? 6. 7 multiplied by 3, that is equal to 21. Okay, so which table have these two numbers? 3 table. 3 multiplied by 7 equal to 21. 3 multiplied by 2 equal to uh, 6. So your answer is 2 by 7. So let's see either we are right or wrong. Now 2 by 7. Okay, same like that, rest of questions you will do it yourself. Okay, so I just solved question number 9. Okay, so I hope it's a little bit tricky, but don't worry, we will solve it easily. Now this type of question you need to convert first of all mixed fraction into fractions. So first of all the same thing you will do here. Okay, so I solve B part for the same question. First thing I need to solve this minus part. Okay, so minus part I do 3 multiplied by 2, 6 plus 1, 7. So here is 7 by 3 minus 5 multiplied by 1, 5 plus 2, 7, 7 by 5. Okay, so here I have two numbers. Okay, so first of all I need to change common. Okay, so here is 15. So 5 multiply here, so 5 is also multiply here, and 3 is multiply here, because we will make a denominator common. I know all of you have a question, sir, why I write 3? Because 3 multiply 5, 15, and 5 multiply by 3, 15. So here is 15, and here is also 15. Here is minus sign. Here is now 7 multiplied by 5, 35. 2 multiplied by 3, 21. So once I minus this, I will get my answer, that is equal to 15. 35 minus what we call it 21, that is equal to 10 14. Okay, here I write 14 by 15. Okay, later on I solve this by other one, like here I write 14 by 15. Here is divide, 3 multiplied by 1 3 plus 1 4, 4 by 3. Here I write 4 by 3. Okay, now I just reciprocal this, because here is divide, I write here in multiply, multiply 3 by 4. So 5 3 multiplied by 1 3, 3 5 times equal to 15, 2 2 times equal to 4, and 2 7 times equal to this one. So 7 multiplied by 1 equal to 7, 2 multiplied by 5 equal to 10. So this is your answer, 10 by 7. That is answer of B part. Okay, I hope that's easy and you understand this all. So same like that, we are solving 5.6. New topic is fraction with decimals. So you have a fraction numbers, okay, so in the form of division. So you need to convert this. How you need to convert this? The main most important thing here that we will do it now. We change this decimal point into fraction. So what we will do here, so here what he do, he just write 0 0.3. Okay, so just he multiply on both side 10. Okay, once he multiply here 10 and here 10, so 10 multiplied by 0 0.1, that is equal to 1. Then 3 multiplied by 10 equal to 30. So your answer is 1 by 30. Okay, same like this, you also multiply by 10 here and denominator multiply by 10, so you get answer 13 by 24. That's your answer. And here, how you know, either you multiply by 10, multiply by 100, or which number, you will count from the decimals. After point, how many digits you have. Let's suppose you have one digits, like here one digit, so you multiply 10. One digit you multiply by 10. If let's suppose any one of these have two digits, so you multiply by 100. Okay, now here we have two digits after decimal, after point, two digit, 1 2. So I multiply by 100 on both sides, so I will get my answer, that is 36 by 12. So once I simplify, like I know which table have 12 multiplied by 1 12, 12 multiplied by 3, that is equal to 36, and there are two zeros, so 300 is answer. So let's come to the questions. Okay, first of all, I need to solve the simple question that is easy for you. Here we have one digit after point, here we have two digits, so I multiply the greater number. Okay, so I multiply by two digits, like 100. Okay, 100 here and multiply by 100 here, so which answer I will get? I get answer that is equal to 70 divided by 14. Okay, so which table have 17 and 40? Like 7 tables. 7 how many times equal to 17? Tens time. How many times equal to 14? 2 times. So 2 how many times equal to 10? Once time, and 5 times. So my answer is equal to 5. Okay, so as it is same, we need to solve 8 part. Okay, so before I solve this one, so we need to convert this into without decimal. Okay, so here I multiply with it, so I multiply by 10 here and 10 here, so I will get answer 28 by 7. 28 by 7. Okay, and here is multiply. Once I multiply by here 100 and here also 100. Okay, so here I get answer 144, and here I get answer 60. Okay, 144 and 60. 144 and 60. Now 7 how many times equal to what we call it? 7 multiplied by 1 7. 7 4 times equal to 28. Now which table have 16 144? 12 table. 12 how many times? 12 5 times equal to 60, okay, and 12, 12's time equal to 144. So 5 multiplied by 1, that is equal to 5. Okay, I write here 5. 12 multiplied by 4 equal to 48. Okay, so here I get nominator bigger, so I will convert this 48, I will change it into by 5 equal to mixed fraction. So 5 how many times equal to 45? 9 times equal to 45, and 3 left here to make it 48, and here is 5. So that is my answer. So I hope so you understand this. Okay, so let's move to next 5.6. Okay, 5.6 is same like that. Okay, suppose that 2 by 3, 2 by 5 of the student of the school are girl, and if the school has 600 students, how many of the girls are there? So 600 multiplied by this number, so you will get your answer. So like you will see here, so he multiply with it. Okay, so 5 multiplied by 1, 5. 5 how many times equal to 60? 12 times. Okay, so here is 0, this 0 I write here. So 2 multiplied by 120 equal to 240. So 240 are girl and the rest of them are boys. Same like that, there are 2 by 5 of the student of another schools are boy. Okay, and there are 360 and that there are 360 boys. There 2 by 5 of the students in another schools are boy, that and that there are 360 students are in the whole okay, he said 2 by 3 are the boys. Okay, so total once we count, that is 360. So how many total number of boys? Okay, so it's mean here we write here 2 by 5. Okay, and multiply by any number. Let's suppose a, we don't know this number a, how many total number. Okay, but here we have 360, that is the answer of this question. Okay, like same we solve here. Okay, but we don't know what is a, so what we will do, I send this 5 on the other side. Okay, and I divide by 2. Okay, so here I write a as it is same. Here is 360 multiplied by 5 divided by 2. So 1 I divided by 2, that is equal to 180. 2 multiplied by 1, 2. 2, so the 180 time equal to 360. Okay, 180 multiplied by 5, 40, um, so I think that is equal to uh, it's nearly 1 minute. 10 time equal to 50 means 500, and 5 and 4 900, it's equal to 900. 900 or 800, let me confirm. Okay, let's solve this. Okay, now 180 multiplied by 5, 5s are 40, 0, 4, 9, 90, yes, 900. So there are 900. Okay, so the answer is equal to 900. You can see there are 900 total students. Okay, so you can solve like that. Okay, now here we have a questions, all these questions I will show you the answer as well. Okay, so don't worry about that one. So here we have the questions. Let's suppose I solve any one of these. Let me solve question number 5. Andrew, Bashir, and Candy is trying to have a money of birthday party. If Andrew save 1 by 4 of the total need, okay, Bashir save 2 by 2 and 2 by 5, and what fraction of the cost of the party are left to pay? So for this one, first of all, we will convert this into same fraction. Okay, so that is equal to 0.25. Okay, 2 by 5, that is equal to 40. 0.4, and 1 by 5, 1 by 10 equal to 10, 0.1. Now add all these 0.5, 0.7, 0.75. So once I add total, okay, so here they add 0.75. Okay, so let's see whether we are correct or not. Okay, so here are the answers of 5.3. Okay, 5.3, this is all answers. This one 5.4, this one 5.5, 4, and this one 5.5, and this one 5.6. So my answer is 1 by 4. Okay, so here we have the answer that is equal to 1 by what fraction of the cost of the. Yes, so we are just saving 0 point here. As I told you, I will get answer 0.75. Okay, so out of 1, so 1 minus 0.75, that is equal to 0.25, that is also equal to 0.25 is equal to 1 divided by 4. So 1 by 4 is left to pay. Okay, so same like that you will solve the rest of the questions. I hope you understand. Okay, so here are the answers of the rest of the questions I already solved in the class. Other than this, if you have any other problem, just feel free to ask me at any time. Thank you, take care, goodbye, see you in the next class.